Hello guys, welcome back to Wolfie MR5, and yes, today we've got the Skyline GT-R R34 from Fast and Furious, baby! Speed Champions LEGO edition. This thing is awesome. I haven't even opened it and I'm in love with it already. Alright, so in today's video, we are going to be building this car, and in the end, I will give you a bonus build that you can do yourself with any pieces you have lying around. It'll be amazing, trust me. So let's get into this build. Alright, so for this build, we only have 2 bags, and it's pretty crazy because I'm used to like 3 or 4 or even 6 bags comes out of a bag, this piece right here, and that is what we're going to be using as our base. So, let's start. Hear me out. I have some good news and some bad news. The good news is we have the GT-R. Of course I had to modify it. Carbon hood, ginormous carbon wing, license plate, and sticker delete. Also in here, bluish delete. I couldn't remove everything blue, but I removed most of it. It looks pretty sick. Alright, now with that out of the way, let me tell you what happened. I wasn't able to finish because we lost the footage of me building the GT-R, so I just wanted to tell you. But luckily, we still got the bonus build. Let's go. This is the bonus build. This, my friends, is a tiny little hover car. And it does not have any wheels at all. It hovers like this. It's amazing. And it needs a charger, so we added that too. The sign is optional, by the way. You don't have to build this. So I'm going to show you how to build both of these. Let's go. And that, my friends, is how you make a tiny little hover car with its own charging station. And that was our epic build of this Nissan GT-R and our bonus build. So with that said, I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.